Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So the dessert which we are making today is not at all related to an oven, which is a no-bake eggless lemon cheesecake, and that too without gelatin and agar-agar. So without wasting more time, let's just get started. For the base, I am using 1 packet of regular digestive biscuits. Put them into a grinding jar and grind them into fine and sandy mixture. Into this, add 80 grams of melted butter. Mix this very well using a spatula. Transfer the biscuit mixture into a spring foam tin which I have already lined with the parchment paper. Spread it evenly all over the bottom of the tin, ensuring it reaches the edges too. Put this into a refrigerator until we make other components. Now for the lemon jelly, in a pan take half a cup water. To this add 1/4 cup of corn flour. Mix it very well and make sure that there are no lumps. Now turn on the heat on low flame. Heat this for about a minute. After a minute or two, we'll add 1 cup of sugar. We have to cook this while stirring until a boil comes. At this stage, we'll add half a cup lemon juice. Again cook this until the mixture thickens. It's almost 3 to 4 minutes now and its consistency is perfect. And add 1 drop of yellow gel food color to give that lemon color to it. Now turn off the flame. Mix this very well and let it cool for some time. For the cream cheese filling, I have taken 250 grams of homemade cream cheese. Its link is in the description box. To this we'll add 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. With the help of a whisk, mix it very well until the sugar gets completely dissolved. Now add 2 tablespoons of lemon jelly which we made earlier. Again give it a good mix. In another bowl, take 1 cup of whipping cream. Using an electric beater or a hand whisk, we'll beat this nicely until we get nice stiff peaks. Our whipped cream is done. To this we'll add the cream cheese mixture which we made earlier. Now with very soft hands, we'll fold the cream cheese into whipped cream. One has to be very gentle in doing so because we don't want to lose the air which has been incorporated in the whipped cream. I have taken the base out of the fridge and now I'm gonna transfer this cream cheese filling onto it. Using a spatula, evenly spread the layer of this cream cheese filling all over the biscuit mixture. After doing so, we'll pour the remaining lemon jelly on the top of the cream cheese filling. Now in the same way, using an offset spatula, we'll spread the lemon jelly also. After doing so, we have to refrigerate it for a minimum of 4 to 5 hours, but if you have more time, put it overnight in the fridge to set. It's been 8 hours now and I have demolded it. Now comes the decoration part, but if you want you can skip this step too. I am decorating it with some whipped cream, lemon slices, black raisins and basil leaves. You can decorate it however you like. And with that, our no-bake eggless lemon cheesecake is ready. This cheesecake is completely different from the regular cake. You should try it at least once. I hope you like this recipe. Thank you so much for watching and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.